Do you like your drink? Are you going to share with me? Huh? Are you going to share with me? What's the name? Okay, what's the name of your drink? Is it apple juice?
Yeah, apple juice.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Or fruit shots? It's fruit shots, Mama. Fruit shots, yeah? Yeah, do you want me to open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like it, Mama? You love it, yeah? Drink. It's not open. Huh? Huh? Oh, don't worry. Drink, okay? Oh, you wanted to share with me. Oh, my sweetheart, I love you. You are the best. You want to share with Mommy? Oh, I love you. Drink, okay? Drink. Finish it, okay? Yeah? I got it for you. Because you've been a good girl. Is it? You're a good girl? Yeah, you are. So guys, I just went to pick my daughter from nursery. So we are waiting at the bus stop here. Waiting for the bus to come. So I want to ask guys, if you see me looking out, I'm just looking out. I don't want to miss my bus. So I want to ask mothers, like, do you do this every time? Okay, my daughter started nursery, right? But there's one thing I noticed. Normally she don't have cough, cold and all of that. Okay, I think our bus is here. Okay, it's not our bus. Okay, it's not our bus. It's not our bus, Mama. So she don't normally have cold or cough before she started nursery. Okay, but now since she started nursery, guys, she started having cough, cold and all of that. Yeah, so me coming to pick her from nursery, all her nose will be filled up. All her nose will be messed up, like all her jumper will be messed up, and this keep me, and this is winter, right? I keep washing her jumper all the time, drying it on the heater. Oh my goodness, it's so it's giving me headache, but what can you do? You just have to do what you have to do. But I just want to ask, does everyone do this? Like, do you normally wash your children's jumper all the time because they are getting sick, they are getting cold all the time, and it's the stain of the cold, cough, the nose, everything will be on their nose. So each time I go to pick her up, I'll make sure I go with wipes so I can be able to clean her up, Yeah, I want to hear from you. So we're still here waiting. Alright, I'll speak to you again later. Yeah. A bus is coming. Yeah. Alright, bye.
I'm busy.